Hello friends, welcome back in our new session. Today in this session we will discuss about some basic concepts of Python. In the series of Python, today we will discuss Python is interpreter based programming language. So how we can identify Python as an interpreter based programming language. Python is a interpreter based programming language. So if we talk about the categories of programming language, so in terms of programming languages we have two categories of programming language: compiler based and interpreter based. So compiler based. So compiler based. So in the compiler converts the program into binary language, that is machine understandable language, and compiler basically produces the files. For example, in C language, after compilation the following files are produced. So what are those files? These are .obj, that is object files, .bak, that is backup files, and .exe, that is executable files. So in compiler based programming language, compiler produces these three kind of files when we compile the program. If we talk about the interpreter based programming languages, so interpreter based programming languages basically interprets the program into binary and executes immediately, that is, it interprets line by line of code. Okay, so if we have seen in compiler, the compiler compiled the complete code at once, but in terms of interpreter, it interprets the code line by line of code. Okay, so it checks and executes the code line by line, and interpreter never produces the files. Okay, so as we have seen, the compiler produces these three kind of files, but interpreter never produces the files. So these are some basic differences between compiler based or interpreter based programming language. So if we talk about the examples, so Python supports the compiler based as well as interpreter based programming languages. So in few terms, Python supports the compiler based programming language as well as interpreter based programming languages. So that was some basic information about the compiler or interpreter based programming languages. So I hope all of you got some valuable information. So thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe this channel if you did not subscribe, so that my latest videos will be reached to you without delay. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.